Okay, so I'm actually going away to Plymouth/Cornwall for 3 days. I'm just gonna take this backpack with me. It's gonna be 23 to 27 degrees the whole time. Hi, editing Kesvi here, and I just actually realized I never did an intro in this video. So hi my lovelies, if you've never been here before, my name is Kesvi, and for the last 6 years I've backpacked around places like Borneo, Peru, Guatemala, Mexico, and I've done 2 working holiday visas, one in Australia and one in Canada. And now I'm back in the UK with a 9-to-5 job, living with my parents and just waiting for international travel to open up. So subscribe to join our adventures closer to home, look out for travel advice on working holiday visas and travel guides to countries I visited pre-YouTube so we can be travel buddies. Okay, so it is actually the day of, so this is what I'm going to be wearing. So I've got the leggings and my sports bra on already, so those are 2 things I don't need to pack, and this is like a nice loose top, so potentially I'll wear this for our hike as well. I'll also be wearing my comfortable trainers, so that's like a 3rd thing that I don't need to pack. So let me get the rest of the stuff out. So the reason that it's so easy for me to pack right now is because I did actually make a list of all the stuff I need for this trip, which I showed in my last video. It's a video to kind of help people who like overpack, because I know for a fact that when I first started going on like long backpacking trips, I really struggled with having way too much stuff and never using any of it. Go check that video out after this video. Okay, so we've put everything that's on the list here. My bed, can you see? Yeah. Instead of a warm jacket, I'm gonna take this. It seems like quite a lot of stuff. Should be fine though, right? Honestly, I've kind of only taken basics. Let's actually put all this stuff in there, shall we? You can tell that I roll all my clothes up. I find that clothes take up way less space in my bag when I do it this way. And it's actually easier to see everything in my bag if it's rolled up, because you can kind of stack it up much easier. I was thinking about doing a video on the best way to save space, like the best way to fold your clothes to save space in a backpack. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, I won't do it. Oh my god, let me tell you about this bag. This bag is one of my favoritist things that I own. But basically, this bag, the inside of it is waterproof, so when you finish at the beach, if you don't want to wear your swimming costume after you've swum, you can literally just put it in here and it won't get the rest of your bag wet. Isn't that so good? It's also great for storing your swimming costumes in. Okay, so I don't know if others pack like this, but this is the way I pack. Like, I'll always put in the stuff that I'm going to use on the first couple of days first, before like anything else. Then I know the stuff that I need is going to be on top. The other thing that I would definitely recommend getting is a travel towel. I've got mine from Dock and Bay, and they are beautiful, and they're microfiber, and they are massive, and they roll up really small, and they dry very quickly. So I'm also gonna need cream, a little bit of makeup, and like soap. So I have these really nice shampoo bar, and I have a conditioner bar as well from Non-Plastic Beach, which honestly, they smell nicer than the Lush ones. And they're made like in an environmentally friendly way. All the packaging is like, if you're in the UK, this is such a great brand, and their shampoo is actually incredible. I've been using it for about a month now, and my hair is so, like, look how shiny and soft it is. I find that using shampoo and conditioner bars saves so much space in my bag. It also saves with weight, and it's 2 less liquids to carry when traveling, which if you only have a carry-on is a lifesaver. Okay, so I've got my face cream and my sun cream, that goes in the top here too. Where did she go? I don't know where my deodorant's gone. I'll take my little deodorant. Okay, so I'm going to pack the lenses in here. I actually need to buy a travel size saline solution, but we can do that at the train station. And I'm also, the other thing that I've got from Non-Plastic Beach is this. which is a bamboo toothbrush, and look how cute it is. Let me show you. Ah, it's red. Isn't that the cutest thing? So that's all my toiletries done. Now, I've already packed my makeup, so that's just gonna go straight in my bag. If you guys wanna see what makeup I pack in my travel bag, I've actually done a whole video on it. So you can go check that one out after this one. Cool, now tech. As we're going surfing, I'm obviously gonna take my GoPro like this. Tech-wise, for filming for this vlog, I've literally got you guys out on my tripod. Oh, and chargers is the last thing I need, right? That is me packing lightly. Cool. What do you guys think? A little backpack. This also has like a strap around my thing. Sometimes I just hook my jacket here. Let's go, guys.